In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a childbirth forecast in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Forecast tab from the left-hand menu. If it's your first time using this feature, you'll go through a quick setup where you enter your income, expenses, and financial goals. Make sure your accounts are connected so your projections are as accurate as possible. Once you're inside the forecasting view, look for the option that says Add Life Events or Add an Event on the timeline. Click on it. Then choose Having Children from the list of available events. After that, enter the year your child is expected to arrive. Next, review the estimated costs. Origin usually fills this in automatically based on standard data, but you can adjust the numbers depending on your lifestyle and expected expenses. Then, set how long you plan to financially support your child, whether that's until age 18, 22, or longer. After completing these steps, your forecast will update to reflect how this life event impacts your long-term finances. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.